guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that I've made videos about the photo edit eyeshadow trios in the past, but I've been staring at this punked eyeshadow trio and wondering what I wanted to do with it, and I realized that a New Year's Eve makeup look would be perfect with this eyeshadow palette, so that's what I'm going to do today. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go right ahead and start with eyes. So since we're doing a super dark and bold makeup look, I'm definitely gonna use tape for this one to minimize fallout and to get a really sharp and precise line. Okay, so moving on, I'm just gonna take my Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer and place that all over the lid. Okay, so it's time to actually go in with shadow, and for this look, I'm taking the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Punked, and the first shade I'm actually using is called Punked, which is just the brown shade in this palette. And I'm just going to take that on a crease brush and place it in my crease and a little bit above to act as our transition shade. And I'm kind of winging it out towards the outer edge as well. So next I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller crease brush and I'm going to go into the shade Blackout, which is just the black shade from the eyeshadow trio. And I'm going to apply this in the crease as well, but just a little bit more precise. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with a clean fluffy brush and just blend out the edges a little bit. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and go in and cut the crease, and I just wanted to talk about concealer for a second because I've mentioned in several videos now that the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer is my absolute favorite concealer of all time, but I ran out of that, and it turns out that they're actually reformulating the concealer, and so it has been discontinued temporarily. So basically I had to pick up a different concealer to use until the Smashbox one comes back in, which is why I am not using the Smashbox concealer today. Anyway, I'm just placing that on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to take a concealer brush and just use this to cut the crease. But the good thing about them reformulating the concealer is that they're coming out with way more shades, just like they did with the foundations earlier this year. So that is really good. And we'll definitely carry all of the shades in the Wildcat Shop as soon as they come in. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll be sure to notify you guys as soon as all the concealers come in. Okay, so now that we have the crease cut, I'm going to go in with the shimmer shade in the Punked eyeshadow trio, and this one is called Rock Icon. And I'm just going to take that right on my finger and place that all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and touch up the other colors, and I'm just going to start off by going back into the crease with the black shade. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush into the brown shade Punked and use that to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take a packed brush and the black shade Blackout, and I'm just going to put that a little bit on the outer corner to deepen up and add a little bit more dimension. And I'm going to blend out the edges with a little bit of the silver shade on a brush. So next I'm just going in with a winged liner, and I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do my face makeup, and I'll be right back to finish off the eyes. Okay, and I am back and my face makeup is on, and now I'm ready to finish off the eyes. So I'm just going to grab my Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in Punked once again. And I'm going to take this small little pencil brush here and dip into the shade Punked, which is once again the brown shade from the eyeshadow trio. And I'm just going to smudge that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna wipe off that brush and use the same one with the shade Blackout to line the lower lash line on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some lashes, which I think is really important since we're going for such a bold look. And these are just the Ardell Wispy Lashes. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish up the eyes by applying some mascara to blend my lashes with the fake lashes. So I'm going to use the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. Alright, so lastly, I just need to pick out a lip color, and I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna use yet. I didn't want to go with like a dark lip, but I feel like this brown one's gonna match better than all the other ones. So I'm gonna go with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Okay, so here is the finished New Year's Eve party makeup look. As always, you can get all the products that I used in this video at the Wildcat Shop at Central Washington University. And I'll also list below all the products that I used for my face makeup since I didn't include that in the actual video. Be sure to follow my Instagram at LindsayIrene16 so that you can stay updated on everything that's happening with Smashbox at the Wildcat Shop, as well as seeing swatches, pictures of the products, and makeup that I'm doing on other people. And you can also come see me in the Wildcat Shop to try out any products to get your makeup done or to get color matched for foundation or concealer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if there are any other videos that you want to see. So I think that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my New Year's Eve party makeup look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.